I stopped paying for expensive Botox treatments. Instead, I discovered a simpler, more natural way to smooth wrinkles and maintain youthful-looking skin without painful injections, pricey surgeries, or even pills. I recently turned 65, and what transformed everything for me was learning how to block what may be the root cause of loose, sagging skin. Most women never realize this, and unless you address the real source of aging, you may continue feeling frustrated with your reflection, growing invisible to those around you, and quietly accepting the signs of aging. But here's the good news. In 2021, a breakthrough by leading European scientists began rewriting the rules of skincare. After studying thousands of women dealing with premature aging, they identified one overlooked organ that plays a major role in how we age, and it's been misunderstood for decades. Even better, they uncovered a simple way for nearly anyone, regardless of age, skin tone, or skin condition, to support this organ naturally and look noticeably younger in a surprisingly short time. Women as old as 70 have reported firmer, more radiant skin within just days. That's why these scientists created a short, free video to share their findings. Tap the Learn More link in the description below and watch closely. It explains exactly how to restore smoother, more vibrant skin after 40. Yes, just one small tweak to your morning routine could help visibly reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, smooth scars, and acne, and even shrink a bloated belly, all within weeks. And no, it doesn't involve creams, cosmetic procedures, or traditional skincare products. This is real, science-backed skincare from the inside out. Join thousands of women who now use this method every morning to rejuvenate their skin and transform their bodies, like Kathy from Chicago, who now loves what she sees in the mirror after clearing her skin and dropping 3 dress sizes in just weeks. Or Judy, a 61-year-old grandma from Atlanta, whose results were so stunning that even her doctor started using this method himself. A quick word of warning. The billion-dollar skincare industry has already tried to take this video down twice to protect their profits and keep women stuck in the cycle of endless creams and treatments. So don't wait. Tap the Learn More link in the description now and see what the skincare industry doesn't want you to find out. More women deserve to see this. Are you ready to take back control of how you age? Tap the link in the description to watch now, before this powerful video gets taken down again.